So it seems the Galaxy S23 will get more than design changes, but not necessarily amazing ones. As yes, we have more leaked information about the Galaxy S23, and it sounds good and sort of boring. The Pixel 7 lineup is almost here, but the new details keep coming in that are almost confusing. And if you thought Samsung was going to use that 200 megapixel camera on its smartphones first, think again. I'm Jaime Rivera, and seriously, I love how Sony and Samsung can just let competitors launch their best technology first. Wish I understood how that works. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with Xiaomi and their latest launch, the Xiaomi 12T series, which we already have the Pro in our labs. Earlier today, the company finally made official their new flagship that is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 SoC with up to 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of UFS 3.1 storage. It features a 6.67-inch AMOLED display running at 120 Hz with an in-display fingerprint scanner, and for the battery department, we get a 5,000 mAh cell that can get fully charged in under 20 minutes thanks to an 120-watt charger that is included in the box, by the way. For the cameras, yes, we have the 200 megapixel ISOCELL HP1 main sensor made by Samsung that supports OIS, 8K video recording, and much more. It's paired with an 8 megapixel ultra-wide and a 2 megapixel macro camera. Yeah, I know. On the front, we get a 20 megapixel selfie shooter, and finally, you'll be able to pick between black, silver, and blue colorways, and it'll go official in October 20th, starting at $800, which is great, but obviously that varies per region. Now let's talk about Twitter, since it's now official that one of the most requested features by users is finally coming soon, but not for everyone. The social media platform confirmed that the edit tweet option is now working for users who pay for Twitter Blue in Canada, Australia, and New Zealand. But according to the statement made by the company, it will be arriving to subscribers in the United States very soon. And you're probably wondering how it will work. And well, if your plan is to start editing old tweets, sorry, but that won't be possible. The person who tweeted will have up to 30 minutes to make changes and will only be able to make 5 of those edits. The tweet will appear as normal, but there will be a pencil icon next to the date, along with text that lets readers know that the last time the tweet was edited. Once you click on the icon, it will show you a page with the original tweet and the history of all the edits. Also, you're only able to edit certain types of tweets. Things like replies, threads, retweets, and pins won't be available, it seems. For now, it's exclusive to Twitter Blue subscribers if you pay the $5, and I doubt that it'll change for everybody else. Moving on, let's talk about Google and more leaks for the Pixel 7 lineup. We're still 2 days away from the launch, but with so much leaked information, it feels like if it's already official. According to a new report, Google has significantly improved the battery life of the new models compared to the 6 series, which is great because those were not amazing. Despite having smaller power packs though, the base model will have a 4355 mAh battery, down from 4600 from its predecessor, and yet the company claims that it will go up to 72 hours with extreme battery saver, which is 50% longer than the 48 hours advertised for the Pixel 6, and up to 31 hours in certain tests without the power saving mode. The Pro model will have the same exact battery capacity as its predecessor, but then it promises up to 72 hours of usage in extreme battery saver. There's no explanation from Google about how these batteries will last more, but maybe it has something to do with that Sensor G2, which was not great in the first generation. Now for the camera department, we have some conflicting rumors. Previously, it was reported that both phones would arrive with an 11 megapixel selfie shooter and autofocus, but the latest report from WinFeatures says that they do not agree with that one. Now as for the rest, the Pixel 7 will rely on its Super Res Zoom feature for zooming in, while the Pro model will have the dedicated 4.8x periscopic zoom lens. The Pixel 7 and 7 Pro will supposedly be unveiled on Thursday, and unofficial info suggests that they should be on sale on the 13th. Pixel 7 should start at €650 and the Pro at $900, but we'll have to confirm for the US. And finally, for the hottest news today, let's get to Samsung since we have more details about the upcoming Galaxy S23 series. So far, we've talked about how design will grow to mimic more of the current Ultra, which is hot in its own way, but specifications show a different story. According to Galaxy Club, the Plus model will arrive with a 4700 mAh battery, which is 200 mAh an increase compared to its predecessor, while the Ultra will reportedly stick to the same battery size. The problem, to a certain degree, is when we talk cameras. The source claims that the Galaxy S23 and S23 Plus will feature the same exact 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera from the previous generation, which wasn't bad, but not necessarily amazing. No word if the formula will stick to the Ultra. Yesterday, we got leaked images of some cases for the base model. Both images reveal the button placement will be pretty much the same from the current models. These cases also confirm the base models will adopt the camera design that we get on the Ultra, which in my opinion, again, is sexy. And just to wrap it up, based on previous rumors, we can expect the Galaxy S23 to remain with a 6.1-inch AMOLED display with slightly thinner bezels and will be powered by the probable Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 or whatever the name will be that should be announced next month. But anyways, in today's question, let us know, are you excited for the changes coming to the Galaxy S23, especially with all the phones that are currently being launched? Because honestly, I am, but I'm a bit mixed about design being more important than features, though that's just me, and rumors are rumors. Leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know your opinion. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. You can also follow us on social media, so our extended coverage happens on Instagram, and follow me on my personal handles to see me debate the obvious sometimes. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.